All right, Taurus, let's dive into your astrological forecast for 2026. We've broken down all the key insights to give you a clear guide for the year ahead. So let's just get right to the big headline. The major takeaway for you is that 2026 is shaping up to be an absolutely exceptional year. I mean, it could potentially be one of your best years ever. That really sets the stage for everything else, doesn't it? Okay, so here's a quick look at what we're going to cover. We'll start with all the good stuff, a wave of prosperity, and your career path. Then we'll touch on a bit of a challenge on the family front, check in on your health, and then wrap it all up with the single most important key to your success this year. First things first, let's talk about your finances. Because honestly, there are some pretty incredible opportunities coming your way. So, what's behind this huge wave of prosperity? Well, the main player on the field here is Jupiter. You know, the big guy, the planet of luck, growth, and all good things. Right from the get-go, it's sitting in your house of wealth, which is just fantastic news. And we're not just talking about a flash of luck here. This is about building real, solid stability. And what's really cool is that Jupiter isn't flying solo. You've also got Rahu in your corner. And Rahu is all about thinking outside the box. It's going to help you come up with these amazing, innovative solutions and really keep that fire in your belly for success burning all year long. Okay, you're going to want to mark this down. For real, circle these dates on your calendar. From June 2nd all the way to October 31st, Jupiter goes into what we call its exaltation. Basically, that means it's at its absolute most powerful. This is the window. This is your prime time for launching something new and seeing some serious, definite profits. All right, so that's the money situation, which looks great. Now, how does all this energy translate to your career? Well, the potential for growth here is just as massive, but, it works a little differently. When it comes to your career, you've got to keep your eye on Saturn. Now, Saturn is hanging out in your house of gains, which is exactly what it sounds like. It's all about rewards and achieving your goals. It's like the stage is perfectly set, the spotlight is on, and Saturn is just waiting for you to step up. The opportunities are right there, ready for you to grab them. And it all boils down to a really simple formula, kind of like a two-step plan. This isn't about luck. Step one is what you put in. We're talking focused, disciplined hard work. Then comes step two, the payoff. All that effort you put in, it's literally the key that unlocks all the growth and rewards that Saturn has lined up for you. It's a direct cause and effect thing. And this is so important to understand. The theme for your career this year is that real, genuine effort gets rewarded. Period. If you're thinking about taking shortcuts or finding the easy way out, it's just not going to work. The universe is basically asking for your A game, your full commitment. Okay, so finances and career are looking amazing, right? But we do need to talk about one area that might need a little extra TLC this year, and that's things on the home front with your family. The reason for this is a little influence from K2. Its energy this year is a bit tricky. It has this way of stirring up confusion and misunderstandings that can feel like they just pop up out of nowhere. You might find there's just a bit of unnecessary chaos happening at home. But here's the good news, and this is super important. It's not gonna last forever. It's temporary. Yeah, you might feel a little bit of distance for a big chunk of the year, but look what happens towards the end. Things start to shift in a positive way around the end of October, and by the beginning of December, that challenging K2 influence, it's out of there. And that's the big turning point. Remember our friend Jupiter bringing all that good fortune to your finances? Well, on October 31st, it moves into your family house, and it brings all of that wonderful, peaceful, prosperous energy right back home, restoring harmony and happiness. It's going to be a beautiful shift. All right, let's switch gears and talk about your health and well-being. And honestly, the news here is fantastic. It's really straightforward and super positive. Yep, the outlook is crystal clear on this one. No major health problems are on the radar for you in 2026. You can expect a year of real stability, which is great because it frees you up to put all that energy into those other big areas of your life. Okay, so let's tie this all together now. We've covered money, your job, your family, your health. So what's the one big idea you need to hold on to for 2026? What's the bottom line here? It all comes down to this one idea. Success is made, not gifted. This is your mantra for the year. The universe is lining up all these incredible opportunities for you with both money and your career, but they're not just going to fall into your lap. You have to act. You have to be the one to reach out and take them. So really, when you look at the whole year, the power is 100% in your hands. The planets, they're just setting the stage. They're giving you the perfect conditions, all the potential you could ask for. But the real question for you, the question 2026 is asking, is this: how are you going to use your hard work and your discipline to go out there and make your own success happen?